Words I kept, the lines I wrote, still echo like a whispered note. If time had waited one moment more, we'd write the tale we're longing for. Oh, if I had known it was the end, I would have held you, my dearest friend. That smile, that touch, it felt so right, but it vanished into night. If I could freeze that final day, I'd never let you slip away. 'Cause now I know, too late to try, that was our last goodbye. And now when I try to name that day, your name is all I can ever say. If only our story could rewind, we'd leave no words left behind.